Check this nigga out right here.
Huh? Shut up, I don't want to talk to him.
Love doctor ass nigga.
Shut up. Why you always comparing yourself to somebody else, man? Come on, man. No, nothing matters right now. But you coming over here and seeing me right now, right?
What is that little bag of your kush doing right there?
Alright? Mm-hmm. The next best thing. Yeah! This nigga right here is the next best thing. Tune that Sammy Sosa said so. I'm Sammy Sosa, the baseball player. And I said so. Follow who? So sing. Follow who? Convertible music songs.